Hi guys, I am doing one of my absolute favorite things today. It is hot and I really did not feel like digging in the garden, so I am making some little cut flower bouquets. One for my mom and one for my grandma, and I am using the plant of the week, the zinnia. I love the zinnia. Everybody loves zinnias. They make us happy. But in particular, at Van Wilgen's, we grow two different kinds in our Superbloom pots. The Superbloom Zinnias that we grow are Dreamland and Profusion, and we've chosen those very specifically because not only do they make cut flower arrangements beautiful, but they also are very disease resistant, which is really great. They bloom from spring all the way till the first frost, and they also have a little bit more of a compact habit. So they're nice and mounding, so they look beautiful in the garden as a border, as a hedge even. That will give you color all season long. And they also look really great in a container. But today, I am actually enjoying them. I'm going to give these to my family members so they can enjoy them inside and I can bring a little smile to their face. Remember, zinnias love full sun. That is really important. And the more you cut them, the more flowers you're going to get. Always deadhead your zinnias, although I have to say the Profusion are known for not really needing to be deadheaded, which is also a unique quality about these Superbloom Zinnias as our plant of the week. See you next time. Thanks a bunch.